What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we're taking a look at the Bitcoin price on the 4-hourly, and it does look like that we are getting tighter and tighter inside of this range. Slightly lower highs, slightly higher lows. It looks like a kind of a symmetrical triangle. In today's episode, I want to explain to you how this $38,000-$39,000 region is much stronger support than this resistance here just by looking at the VPVR at the 41.5. We're going to zoom in here at the 2-hourly chart, look at the major levels, the potential scenarios, and looking at the S&P 500 also. There might be a pretty nice setup here for a trade. I'm going to show you what I'm expecting here on the S&P 500. We can see that we just had a little bit of volatility yesterday with the FOMC meeting. We just had a deep correction, came straight back up, nothing too important. Guys, let's dive in straight into the content. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus News channel. Make sure to subscribe. I do daily TA on Bitcoin, also crypto, do live streams to connect with the community, but I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say. And if you do so, do your own research. Quick reminder, if this video gets over 1,000 likes, you comment down below, you are eligible for a giveaway in Bitcoin. Let's dive in here straight into the kind of price action, guys. Yesterday with the FOMC meeting, with the interest rates, it was 0.25, very much expected. We just had a little bit of volatility, a quick correction, came straight back up here looking at Bitcoin and also the S&P 500. Nothing too special. Now we are still inside of this major range. Now we talked about this on the latest videos. Huge support at the $39,000, $38,000-$39,000 region because of the VPVR and also the 41.5, where we're getting rejected here for the last couple of days, as you can see. This is looking at the 4-hourly chart. Now, it is pretty clear that the amount of support at the $38,000, $39,000 is much stronger here just by looking at the volume profile, the point of control. Look at the huge volatility that we did have here. Insane support, then came straight back up. Now, this resistance at 41.5 doesn't have as much volume, so you could expect that this support level is much stronger here at the $39,000 range. Now, if we zoom in here on the 4-hourly, it is pretty clear that we need to break out, in the next couple of days from this region. Okay, we are creating these slightly higher highs, lower highs right there. This will have to decide movement to the upside or to the downside. You know that I am leaning slightly bullish. I am looking for that $43,000 potentially get above this major resistance zone for that potential liquidity grab, and then all depending on what kind of price action here, I will be bearish or bullish. Now, I just want to go through. This is this bearish harmonic pattern created. We still have another day or so. Looking at the timing, if we're going to be much longer inside of this range, then this is going to invalidate it because of the timing. Then we're just in a large consolidation, and it won't be looking good the longer we take in between this range. Now let's zoom in here quickly on the 2-hourly, and I just want to show you how, just by looking at the price action from February and March, you can clearly see the biggest point of control in between all of this region, okay, is right here at the $38,000, $39,000. This is why you got heavily supported, got this major bounce. We just had a little bit of volatility between yesterday and late yesterday. Okay, we had this big massive pump, rejection, big massive dump, and back up again. So what I am really expecting here, okay, if we do get a consolidation at this range, I think this level is going to hold very nicely, and we're going to start heading up. I do see a higher probability thanks to the VPVR, thanks to the harmonic pattern. Okay, everything indicates me that there is slightly higher probability in actually breaking above $42,000 in the next couple of days. Nothing much to add on Bitcoin. It is pretty boring. We are hitting that 41.5 resistance from the volume traded in between, January, February, and March. We do have these two spikes. We need to get above or below this range to start seeing a potential direction, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because I will be doing a live stream afterwards at the US opening. Now we're going to go through the Margex exchange trading platform. We talked about this platform last week. They are gaining in popularity and volume every single week. But the reason why I'm talking about this platform today is because they got a huge bonus campaign going on at the moment. Apart from the $50 that you do get added to your deposit from 0.004 Bitcoin, if you click on the link down below, you will see this heart and this dollar sign. This will take you to this page, and as you can see, there's a campaign from the 9th to the 24th of March. There's still 7 days to claim this bonus. If you use this promotion code, you get 20% bonus added to your plus $300 deposit. Okay, once you sign up, this will take you to this interface. You have your tabs all the way up here. You got your wallet. Here is where you will put the promotion code to get that insane bonus. Now, if we go here to click on the trading tab, they use TradingView for the charts. Here you have the drawing tools. As you can see, they do have a bunch of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. They do have ADA, Solana. Super easy, friendly platform, guys. Here on the left is where you execute your orders. You've got limit order, market order, the percentage of capital, the leverage here. On the right, your order book. Open positions here down below, position history. So you know the deal. It's super easy to use. Now you got your wallet, you have your settings if you want to improve your security, your referral code, and also support. Here you have live chat, okay, help center, but you also have video tutorials. If you are coming from Forex or from stock market, you want to learn how to use these crypto trading platforms, you got video tutorials on how to fully use this platform. Now, the good thing about Margex, they can support over 100,000 trades per second, and they do protect their traders because you will not see any scam wicks. Okay, this is super important. They have really legit price action here on the platform. Make sure to check it out, guys, and claim the bonus down below. Let's dive in here to the S&P 500 because the S&P 500 was starting to drop. Okay, the market started off pumping like crazy, and then you could expect a potential correction after after Jerome Powell was talking about the interest rates. Okay, but we just had this correction and went straight back up here, as you can see. Now, it is pretty clear that we are in a descending channel. Okay, we are hitting resistance levels. All right, you can see here the lower highs and the lower lows. You are pretty clearly in this massive descending channel. We're just about hitting the resistance range of the channel. So you could expect this correction, okay, that is happening right now to come to much lower levels. But what I want to show you here is that we do have huge support at the 4,260, 270 points. And I'm just going to zoom in right now, okay, and show you why. We have been bouncing as support at this level very nicely, as you can see on the chart. But, we did have this fake out, came straight back up. Once we second attempt breaking out, you could see that reaction at this level, okay, and came straight back down. What is happening right now is that we've had a big massive pump from yesterday on the opening of the market. Now, if we do correct down here, you could potentially expect some kind of reaction. If we start getting a reaction at this level with major wicks and holding this range, this is very possible that this is going to be a bullish sign. Now, this is a 5-0 pattern. It's a harmonic pattern. We have seen this harmonic pattern right over here, where you do create this kind of M range, right? You hit this low, you come back up, and you are basically bouncing at this major resistance level, okay? As you can see, we are forming this, but instead of an M, it's a W, as you can see from the start here down below, all the way up here, down here again, back up. If we come down and react to this range, we could potentially get a big bounce. We need to react. We don't want to catch a falling knife, but we are looking for the same scenario where you came back down, retested the lows. So there is a possibility you will get a reaction here and come back up and retest the highs, guys. This is something that I'm paying close attention. Make sure to subscribe. We're potentially going to find a good trading opportunity on the S&P 500. So tell you what, check out Bitcoinsensus website. We have the latest news and technical analysis ideas here. I will see you guys later.